Welcome. In this video, we're going to go over the Location Master within the Goldtech Retail Manager Home Office application and how you use it for the three-dimensional warehouse management. If you need to understand what three-dimensional warehouse management is, check out our other video, the GRM Inventory Three-Dimensional Warehouse Management video. It's a short 1 minute, 44-second video on what 3D warehouse management is. Let's get started. Click on Inventory, go to Location Master. It brings up all the locations we've defined in the system. What these allow you to do is you can use them across different warehouses. Not all warehouses need to use all location IDs. Depends on the size and what you've got set. We've got a really small subset here just to keep it simple. Like, for instance, in our examples, we like to use all the aisles and give them a letter. And then the section and level is a 2-digit number because those can really get large depending on how big your warehouse is. So essentially, all you need to do to add a new one is we'll hit Insert. We're going to do aisle B, section 01, and then 03. You don't have to worry about measurements. That's for future. Click Enter. It saves it. It's that easy. You define as much as you want. And then within your warehouse, you can pick a warehouse, locations in a warehouse. This one's not in any. Or you can go the opposite direction under Manage Warehouses, bring up a warehouse and locations in that warehouse. And then you can just go grab the location and it adds it to that warehouse. You can define as everything that you need for any warehouse. And like we said, you don't have to use all locations within all warehouses. This is like having a master template of location IDs across the board for your whole warehouse system. One last thing is you should print barcode labels to attach to the racks or bin locations within your warehouse. You don't want to be having to hand key all this stuff. You've got the handheld device. You'll be able to scan the labels. I'll just give you a quick show of what those labels are. We'll print the barcode labels for every location we've added to our distribution center. And I'll just go ahead and print this. They'll come up in print preview. These look a little large. The paper size is not correct, but you get the picture. Here are all the labels. That's it. That is how easy it is to manage your three-dimensional warehouse. See you on the next video.